Welcome to the Advisory Science channel.
What is an irreversible change? Imagine making a cake and then trying to unmake it back into eggs, flour, and sugar. Sounds impossible, right? Well, that's because it is. Cooking is an example of an irreversible change, where new substances are formed that can't be changed back. A cooked egg or toast can't be turned back to their raw form. Burning is another irreversible change. When paper is burned, it turns into ash, gas, and smoke, none of which can be turned back into paper. Burning fossil fuels releases carbon dioxide, a gas that's thought to contribute to climate change. This irreversible change is harmful because it leads to unusual weather patterns and threatens habitats on Earth. Another irreversible change occurs when mixing acids and alkalis. This is called a neutralisation reaction. Acids are substances like vinegar, lemon juice, and fizzy drinks. Alkalis are in things like toothpaste, baking soda, and oven cleaner. When vinegar, an acid, and baking soda, an alkali, are mixed together, a new substance is produced. That substance is carbon dioxide gas. So, while some irreversible changes, like burning fossil fuels, can be harmful, others, like cooking, can be quite helpful. It all depends on how we use them.
Thanks for watching. For more science resources, visit our website advisoryscience.com and check out the blog for even more educational content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest episodes.